So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what this course is all about. Well, it is designed to take your home from chaos to control. But what does that mean? Well, at the moment, maybe you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the chores that have to be done around the house. Maybe you're always rushing to figure out what you're going to make for dinner every night. And maybe you're arguing and fighting and yelling at your family because no one is helping you. You're the person that's doing the majority of the chores and you're just fed up. They live in the house too, they contribute to the mess, so surely they should be helping you clean up. Maybe you've tried chore charts before and cleaning schedules, and maybe they've worked for a short term, or maybe they've not worked at all. This course is designed to help you establish cleaning routines and schedules for the whole family, that the whole family will be invested in, and that are going to work. And so I'm going to take you through the steps of, first of all, figuring out what a clean home actually looks like to you, because maybe it doesn't need to look like the cover of a magazine, but maybe you just want it to be clean and organized so that you don't lose your car keys every morning. It's going to take you through the steps of deciding what it looks like, then talking to your family about it and making sure they get invested in it. A lot of the time our family members don't think a clean home is a priority. So this is about getting them on board and getting them invested in the idea too. And then planning out how you're going to do it. Who's going to be doing which chores, when, how often, getting really, really specific about who and what is going to get done each day. And then there's advice on how to stick to your new cleaning schedule. So establishing the habits, making sure that everyone gets them done when they're supposed to, and no one is forgetting about their chores and tasks. And so it's going to take you step by step. And then it also includes an emergency plan. So if something were to happen, like you were to get sick, or something really important is happening at work and you're working long hours and you just can't stick to that cleaning schedule anymore, then it takes you through an emergency cleaning plan that just keeps the home ticking over, just does the bare minimum to keep things going until life gets back to normal and you can establish your cleaning habits again. So this course really is going to help you take your family from arguing and fighting and complaining and nagging and all just feeling frustrated and overwhelmed the whole time with your family. It's going to take you from all those negative feelings to feeling in control, to calm, to enjoying your home, enjoying time together, having more free time, and just being more in control of your life and your home.